This is a short video on how to restore the fender flares and plastic on the Jeep. As you can see, these flares are pretty white looking. They kind of lost their black color on it. And if you come around this side, you can see this one down here is also. So we're going to take and make it look like this. So the way I do it is I use a propane tank, and when you put the propane on the fender, you don't want to leave it on for very long or to melt it. You just want to do it very lightly. If it gets warm, let it cool down and come back. We'll see what we can do here. If I can get it to light. Good. I'm just going to run it back and forth like that. Let it cool off a second. Go again. Let it cool off a second. Don't want to get too close. Back off, let it cool down a little bit, and then you can start again. You can kind of see the black coming back out of it. And then what you end up with is something like this right here. So it kind of restores the plastic on it. And now we're going to work on the cap and the bumper. This is the back bumper. And again, you just want to make sure that you move your torch quickly back and forth. Bring it back out. You can hold it on there a little bit, but don't let it get too hot or you're going to burn a hole in your plastic. And that's what it looks like when you get done. So again, be careful. Do not hold your torch on there very long and move it back and forth. Keep the torch moving. And to show one more piece, part of it that goes on the behind the front wheel. Almost like painting it. So it kind of brightens it up there. So this is the after look after the propane torch was applied to it. They're not exactly brand new, but they look a lot better.